Today I'm making M&M cookies. First in a bowl I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of light brown sugar. Next mix that up until it's light and fluffy. Then add 1 egg and mix it up. Next add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then add 1 1/2 cups of flour. Mix that up until the cookie dough forms. Now I have a lined baking sheet and some mini M&Ms, so I'm going to take a scoop of the dough and add it into the mini M&Ms and coat it and then place it on the baking sheet. Then I'm going to repeat the process with the rest of the cookie dough and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Once the cookies were done and cooled, I added them to a tray and here's an up-close look.